body movements. Vocabulary. So let's start. Walking. Stepping forward with alternating feet. Running. Moving swiftly with a continuous stride. Jumping. Propelling oneself off the ground with both feet. Skipping. Moving by hopping on one foot and then the other. Rolling. Moving on hands and knees close to the ground. Climbing. Ascending a vertical surface such as a ladder. Dancing. Moving rhythmically to music following choreography. Leaping. Jumping forward with a powerful push-up. Stretching. Extending muscles to increase flexibility and relieve tension. Bending. Flexing a joint or the body at the waist. Twisting. Rotating the upper body or a specific body part. Turning. Changing direction or rotating around a central axis. Kicking. Striking with the foot or leg. Punching. Striking with a closed fist. Slapping. Striking with an open hand. Pushing. Applying force to move an object away. Pulling. Applying force to bring an object closer. Lifting. Raising an object off the ground. Carrying. Transporting an object from one place to another. Throwing. Propelling an object through the air using the arm. Catching. Receiving and gripping an object in motion. Balancing. Maintaining stability and equilibrium. Tumbling. Performing acrobatic movements like somersaults and cartwheels. Rolling. Rotating the body or a body part along a surface. Squatting. Crouching down with the knees bent. Lunging. Taking a large step forward or to the side. Swinging. Moving back and forth on a suspended object. Hugging. Embracing someone closely with the arms. Shaking. Moving a body part repeatedly and repeatedly. Nodding. Tilting the head up and down as a gesture. Waving. Moving the hand back and forth to greet or signal. Pointing. Extending a finger to indicate a direction or object. Clapping. Striking the palms together to make a sound. Blinking. Closing one eye briefly as a sign or salutation. Saluting. Bringing the hand to the forehead as a sign of respect. Kneeling. Resting on one or both knees. Bowing. Bending the body forward as a gesture of respect. Throwing. Making a facial expression of displeasure or concern. Smiling, curving the lips to express happiness or friendliness. Crouching, bending the knees and lowering the body close to the ground. Walking, running, jumping, skipping, crawling, climbing, dancing, leaping, stretching, bending, twisting, turning, kicking, punching, slapping, pushing, pulling, lifting, carrying, throwing, catching, balancing, tumbling, rolling, squatting, lunging, swinging, hugging, shaking, nodding, waving, pointing, clapping, winking, saluting, kneeling, bowing,